morning! Please stop. Good morning! Can somebody please tell me where my B cam is? I've got no B cam. Where's my B cam? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning and welcome to day 86 of Vibe Coding. Every single day until I buy my family a house. We have earned $45,637 over the last 86 days. 40,000 of those dollars coming in the last 40 days. We got monetized on X. We got monetized on YouTube together. We're gaining 1,000 followers a month. We're shipping at a pace that no one can keep up with. We're innovating in the AI world. We're reviewing LLM models as they come out. And we're keeping our sanity while we do it. I woke up this morning. I had the most beautiful workout. Oh my God. I had the most beautiful workout. I had the most beautiful breakfast. I had a moment of Zen silence. And I'm so prepared to ship like an absolute madman today. If you guys don't know, somebody turn the music down. Jesus, I'm trying to do the intro. Thank you. If you guys don't know, over the last 30 days, 40 days, 45 days, we have shipped Canvas, CNVS. It is the agentic development environment of the future, fully voice controlled with NVIDIA Parakeet running locally, GPT real-time in the cloud, Grok Think Fast 2.0 also in the cloud, and you can bet your damn ass we have GPT Real-Time 2.1 Mini for 20 times less cost on API tokens when using voice control, Jarvis style, fully conversational. We have remote canvases running on your virtual private servers or Tailscale into your Mac running in your goddamn home lab. We have a cross-agent memory system, an MCP system so agents can spawn and prompt each other. And it uses all of your existing AI subs. I'm talking about Codex, Claude Code, Qwen, Grok, Kimi, whatever psychotic, absolutely crazy model and harness you want to get into. We even have Pi. We just shipped the iOS app. It's gone far better than I expected. We've had a shit ton of people using the iOS app. We've gotten a ton of feedback. Today's mission is we are going to take that feedback, we are going to funnel it into our agents, and we are going to improve the CNVS iOS app in every single way. And make no mistake, this is not some bullshit iOS app that you have to be inside your local network to run agents. You can go anywhere. You can go to the gym. You could be doing a set of 315 on the bench press and fire up a Claude Code agent with a prompt running on your virtual private server or your Mac at home. Come on! Let's fucking go, baby!
Shining through the endless night. Infinite pulse echo don't fade. Hold the sound that we have made.
Jesus.
Pulse echo
Whoa, 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 whoa. Good morning, my vibe coding fam. Good morning, my vibe coding fam. We have so much going on. First of all, if you guys don't know, yesterday Apple took the entire stream down right after I got done streaming.
Everything feels right.
Ah! Apple took the entire. I finished the stream. Apple took the entire thing down. And it was an amazing stream. It was a great stream. This mother. Because I watched a video that is on their website.
Every shadow turns to light. In the middle of the night,
Turn the music down.
there is calm inside the flow that we're starting now to know. Guiding every step we take through the choices.
Apps Creative says, I loved it. Gains traction. Do it again. Harold says, where do you live? It's a crazy question. That's a crazy question. Oh, hold on. Oh, guys, I'll be back. I'll be back in 15 seconds. Is Humble here this morning? I haven't been looking at chat at all. Humble is here. He says, let's go. All right, guys, I'll be back in 1 second. I'll be back literally less than 15 seconds. I'm going to be Big Bank right back, okay? Just wait 1 second. Wait 1 second.
Infinite pulse echo. Never ends.
Oh, I'm back. I'm back. Yo, I bet it's a monitor. Time's up. For all those joining now, yes, the dog is the vibe coder. Yes. Are you guys gonna be? All right, so I was looking for the perfect bedtime story to read to my kids, because yes, I am a father, believe it or not. I was looking for the perfect bedtime story to read to my babies. And I just happened to stumble, if you will,
The jungle breathe again.
upon these incredible books right here.
Every step becomes alive.
We have The Moon Followed Louis Home. This is the one that I read. And then we have Louis Says Goodnight.
Every rhythm starts to grow.
Let me get a quick.
From the earth we start to know. There is power in
There's a quick little. Hold on.
the never-ending sound.
I'll just rip a couple pages real quick. Hold on.
Every heartbeat, every tone.
The very last walk of the day is the best. When the street lamps yawn on and the birds are at rest. And there over the rooftop, as round as a ball, the moon was out walking, no lead at all. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. For those of you that don't know, those are bedtime stories made by no other than Mr. Humble himself in the chat. Can we get a massive W? Massive W for Humble. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm loving it. I'm loving every minute of it. I'm loving every minute of it. It was tugging at my heartstrings. The Moon Followed Louis Home. Wow. Unbelievable. If you guys have children, Go grab yourself a copy of The Moon Followed Louis Home.
Jungle pulls again. Over and over and over.
Alrighty. Guys, let's go. Humble says they're going to be nearly 100 books. Amazing. All right, guys, we got to lock in. We got to dive in. Who do we got here today in chat? We got Brandon, the mug winner. Unbelievable. We got Enjoyer69. He says, you look like you live in Vice City. I love that. I played Vice City at far too young of an age. And I love that my parents let me get all over that. Oh, my God. I was stealing cars, running over hookers. I mean, there is not a single thing that me and my best friend did not do inside of GTA Vice City. Oh my God. I think it was on the PS2 and we had all the cheat codes too. Like we had a notebook with every cheat code written down and we'd be pop, left, right, up, down, or square, X, triangle, left, right, up, R3, L3, L1, R3, L, square, triangle. Rocket launcher, infinite money. Are you excited for GTA 6? It's back on Miami now, Vice City. I am, but I'm also not. Humble says I don't even have the copy yet. It's on the way. I have the copy of his book before he does. Let everyone sink in. Let that sink in. First 10 minutes of stream demonetized for saying stealing cars or running over hookers. Absolutely. Let's go, Garlic Croissant. Good morning. What a time to enter. All right. Music industry. All right, so let's take a look at things here. Cuz we got a few things going on, okay? We got a few things going on. We can close these for now. We'll make this a little bit larger. Oh, where is that arrow? I want to get rid of that. There it is. Okay, great. And like the stream, everyone, I want to play Call of Duty. Guys, so how many people we got in here right now? We had 61. Amazing. You guys are fucking psychopaths, and I love you. Yesterday, we should have played Call of Duty. We hit 40 likes. So I owe you guys us playing Call of Duty before we hit 40 likes. All right. So here's what we'll do. Somebody set a timer, and at 11:45, I'll set the timer. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 11:45. All right, at 11:45, we're gonna rip our first game of Call of Duty with you guys. We have a bunch of updates in there, and I think you guys are gonna love it. Let me just make sure that everything loads, because yesterday it was not loading, and if it doesn't load, we'll have an agent fix it, and that way there it'll be ready by the time we're hopping in there. God, this shit is still not... I have no idea if somebody's hacking me or... Here's what we'll do. I'll go over to the server. So this canvas is running on the server. All right, this one's timed out. I'm gonna open a new one. Command K. I'm gonna go Claude. We'll make this larger. Drop this in here. Uploads it to the server automatically. I'm gonna say Chase. My beautiful game is stuck on this loading screen. It never actually loads. There's got to be some sort of error. I need you to go as fast as you possibly can and make sure that this game can load all the way to the menu system so I can play it with my friends today live on stream.
Sent to Chase.
All right, that's fair. All right, so that'll work on that. And then we will head over to And bypass permissions on. Okay. Great. We'll head back over to Canvas. Just like that. And why don't, just so that we have a little bit more transparency here, I'm going to switch the theme to Vesper. And that way there we know if we're on the server or on the local Canvas. All right, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, Command K. You know what? Let's get real time fired up. Why not? Can you please, first of all, wake up?
Oof. I hear you. I'm wide awake on my side, but I want to make sure I'm not missing the target.
I'm not totally convinced you're fully awake. Can you please open a Claude agent right now?
All right. Sarah's ready. Your Claude agent is up and ready for whatever you want next.
I don't know why you just said Sarah. There's no Sarah here, but can you tell Chase that I would like to do some work on the iOS app? What I need is a local version of, actually, yeah, no. You can make it, you could make it like fully. Disregard that. Tell Chase that I want you to open the test simulator, and I want you to open a local relay, and I also want you to open up a version of the Canvas Mac app, development version, and all three of them need to be able to pair together so that I can refine the Canvas iOS app today.
Got it. Just pass that along to Chase exactly as you said it. We'll see how the simulator, relay, and macOS dev version link.
Wow, I almost just had a brain aneurysm right there. Oh my god. That was the hardest prompt I've ever said in my life. I didn't know if I wanted it to be production or local development. I just chose local development. I hope that's the right option. We're going to find out. Wow. Kabira! Who is Sarah? I have no idea who Sarah is. That was crazy, wasn't it? You know, the voice agents are really good, but on also like they say crazy shit. They just say crazy shit. So let's pull up in Discord, and then let's go to iOS app. And hopefully nobody posted anything in here that shouldn't be showed on stream. I'm just going to hope they didn't. Okay. Discord is good, but also just a confusing environment. Confusing application. Okay. Voice to text works flawlessly. I've also used Fable to spin up each CLI and update them successfully. Oh, wow, that's great. All right, when Claude asks a question, the question/answer choices don't show up yet. They are on the macOS app. Okay. We have to figure this out. This is going to be a tricky one for sure. So why don't we just screenshot this for now? Does anyone know what that means at all? Listen, type a 1 in chat if you understand what that means at all. Basically, you guys know when Claude does that plan mode and they ask you questions? It's not showing up inside the app, which is a problem. Which is an issue. Don, I don't think you can make fun of that anymore. I don't think that's allowed. I have problems, Don, and I don't think you're allowed to make fun of that anymore. So, Don just got canceled. That was my biggest issue, to be honest. Stopped my flow while I was laying on my couch. Screenshot, yeah. Screenshot is when you take a picture of your screen. Unc Jesse B is locked in today. Unc Jesse B is absolutely locked in today.
starts to blend like a story without end.
Okay.
Like it
See if we can get these synced. Revoke, turn this off, turn it on. Show code 153514. This is all running locally, so don't even bother. I'll save you guys the effort.
will slow it down.
Canvas, okay. Add agent, Claude. Let's go medium, Fable, summon that bad boy. Fake password. Okay. Can you please ask me questions like in plan mode? Question mark.
Chase needs your input.
All right, so this is the problem we're dealing with right now. This is the issue we're dealing with right now, okay? You see how me no get no response because of the plan mode? Big issue. Big issue. Big issue. So we taketh, we placeth, we taketh, we placeth. Okay. We placeth, we placeth, we placeth.
Signal bloom rise.
I have large issue when Claude goes into plan mode. We got nothing on the app side, which we're gonna need to figure this out. How do we fix this?
Feel the energy everywhere. Every second starts to
That's it. That's it right there, guys. That's how it's done.
clear line in time.
I know you guys are thinking there's got to be more to it. I know you guys are thinking there's got to be more to it. Oh, what do we have this set to, by the way? Ooh, this is Fable 5 on extra high effort. Okay, whatever. This is definitely an extra high effort task, so that's fine.
We are standing at the edge.
I'm not going to get into it yet. But the aliens did visit me last night. Many of you already know this, that at times the aliens visit me when I'm sleeping or when I'm mowing the lawn on my tractor. The aliens visited me when I was riding on my tractor like this. All right. I'm mowing the lawn out there, and the aliens visit me, and they gave me the next stage of vibe coding that we have to evolve Canvas into. It's ambitious. It's on trend. It follows the wave of where everyone's headed. Nobody has done it yet. I'm very, very excited. I'm not going to go into detail of what it is yet. I would rather build out a prototype and then show that live. But I just wanted everyone to know that I'm absolutely fired up. The spark is sort of back inside me because I have this. I have the direction, I have the vision, and it's all coming together. And by the way, that shit only happens when you take a step back and away and outside of what you're doing. Sleep, shower, mowing the lawn. Those are the main areas where the aliens are going to visit you. They're going to deliver the idea that's going to take you from 45,000 to 450,000 and so on. You keep going. But you do have to stay in the suck. All right, we're over the last 7 days, we're in a period of suck, all-time low revenue, all-time low impressions. AI is sort of moving at a short-term like snail pace because we don't have GPT 6 Astra out. We don't have any sort of new Fable 5.1 situation. There's no hype factor. I can make crazy videos about. Once all of that shit starts popping off, and then we implement our new vision for Canvas, our evolution, we're going to take it from Pikachu straight to Raichu. Actually, that's a terrible analogy. We're going to take it from, you know, it's a great analogy. We're going to take it from Magikarp to Gyarados. So right now we are Magikarp. We've built an incredible product, but we're still kind of just like, and we are about to evolve this bad boy into Gyarados. It's going to get a little bit crazy. And at first, Gyarados might not listen to us. Like, it might be a little like, but we'll dial it in. We'll get it fixed. Pokemon bars. Alien suggested Bridge Mine collab. I've decided I love Bridge Mind. He's excellent. I watched his stream for a few minutes the other day on Monday when I wasn't live because he popped up on my suggested. Kid's fantastic. He's great. He's great. He's killing it. You have land to merit a tractor and don't have enough for a house. Sorry, late to the game. It's a whole story why I need to buy my family a house. It's a whole story, which is just like a little bit too personal, but I need to buy my family a house. Canvas OS says Yender. No, not that. Is Canvas's vision to ultimately become like an actual Jarvis? No, I think that's Enjoyer. I actually think that's a little bit too cinematic. That's a little bit too far-fetched. That's probably not even the direction we'll head as. We might head there, but we're a very far way off from that. Chad, what's up? How are you doing? How much of a super chat for you to prompt like a full caveman for an hour? Oh, man. I don't know. Screenshot the entire screen with the phone. That's a good idea. Don says, I do all my brainstorming with GPT while in the shitter. Works great. I don't think you can brainstorm with AI anymore. You guys heard that? That's my hot take. I 100% do not think you can brainstorm with AI. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, guys. Garlic Crouton says, I agree. Mind My Shot says, hey, Max. Nevo says, you cannot. You can't. Enjoyer says, easy explanation. Ape head of family provides and protect. Yes. That Enjoyer, thank you so much for simplifying that for me. That's it. That's the whole thing. Easy explanation. Ape head of family provides and protect. They told you good night and good morning and go to sleep. Fair enough. You do you. Stoked your streaming, like co-working for those of us with similarly ain't got time hair flows. Wait. Fair enough. You do you. Stoked your streaming, like co-working for those of us with similarly ain't got time hair. I'll have you know that I'm getting my haircut on Monday. Ain't got time hair flows. How dare you? How dare you? I think by brainstorm, most of us mean we already have an idea and are concepting how it will look. Yeah. You got to be careful. You got to be so careful, guys. You got to be really careful bringing your idea to ChatGPT, to other human beings, to almost anywhere. I really firmly believe that your ideas need to stay inside of your brain, and you need to chew on that shit like bubblegum for a while. Get a good night's sleep on it, maybe a couple of them, before you ever even externalize it at all. Right, me too. Got other shit to do, homie. I really do, I promise. I have a haircut on Monday. You're gonna see on Monday, I'm gonna be freaking like,
Dialogue probe needs your input.
it'd be right here. Right here. Like right now I'm down to my shoulders. On Monday, we're gonna be like right here. Like, have you guys seen Tom Holland in the new Spider-Man movie, where he's like, where is he? He's like right here. Okay, down here is too much.
Dialogue
It's way too
probe
much.
finished the task.
When you go out in public with down here hair, people are like, dialogue probe needs your input. It does not. It does not. I can't believe how long this is taking. This is why I told you guys not to use Fable 5 on extra high. It's medium at most. Can you please switch canvas to Kong?
Over on the Kong canvas now.
What I changed, software GL tier now renders at a fixed 0.6 times resolution regardless of DPR. First frame 0.8 seconds after ready. Your live site itself was fine. Headless, the menu loads and play boots through every stage to ready in 4 seconds. This is just not true. Can somebody get to head over to this URL? I'm going to paste a chat and see if it lets you through into the actual game itself. Sorry, I know there's no music. Hold on, I'm going to reset this. Hold on, my people. Hold on, my people. Bear with me. Shody says, I got a lobby working? It really is me? Why? This makes no goddamn sense. Fully quit and relaunch Chrome, then open Chrome GPU, check WebGL, hardware accelerated. Why would I need to do any of this all of a sudden? If it says software only, turn on settings, system, use graphic acceleration when available. On your real GPU, the game runs at full res at 60 frames per second. The software path is a survival mode, not the show. This is infuriating. I got an idea though. I got an idea. When I open up cnvs.dev/Kong to go to the game that's running on my server inside of Chrome on this computer, I never get past this loading screen. It just freezes here and I can't get in. What's happened? When I go to cnvs.dev/Kong and try to play this game in Chrome, it just never gets past the loading screen. The bar goes all the way full and then freezes right there. Other people are telling me they're able to get into the game. It is indeed quite broken without hardware acceleration, but it seems like you already had it on. Website worked for me too, for what it's worth. I'm having a different issue. I can't move right to the left. My mouse isn't doing anything. Guys, come on. Come on, guys. I don't believe you for a second. I don't believe you for 1 second. All right, now that's running, let's go do it's still working on this. I mean, granted, it is a pretty big. It's a big project. It's a big project. Let me pull up Discord and see what else we got for bug reports on the iOS app. All right, is Seeking Truth here today? Is Seeking Truth here today? No, Seeking Truth is not here today. All right, let's get another agent working the push notifications. I need you to take a look at our current setup regarding push notifications. Do not make any changes, but tell me how we can surgically implement push notifications to work perfectly when an agent is done or needs you. I guess that's it for now. Wait, free-for-all is only when I can get to work? Guys, we're going to get them all working, don't you worry. The server and deployed builder healthy reports. Both map children are up. And a fresh headless Chromium against a live site got through the boot screen and into a running match under 5 seconds, twice, including once with Chrome's normal autoplay policy, no click. So it's not the site, it's something specific to your Chrome machine. The bar isn't real progress. Boot bar I is just, okay. It always fills. It tells you nothing about what's loading. Bar full, then frozen just means await and deploy never settles and there's no error. The most likely hang is the WebSocket connect. 3 quick checks that pin it down in order. On the menu, press deploy. I can't even get to the menu. Our timer's going off. All right, let me open it incognito mode. Damn, that worked. Very strange. How many Claude Max subs do you have? I have 2. All right, we're gonna rip Call of Duty because yesterday we hit our like goal and I didn't have time to actually play with you guys. We're gonna do a warm-up game of free-for-all on Jungle Shipment, and then afterwards we're going to go straight to Dust 2. Dust 2, which is Dust 2 from Counter-Strike, and I think it's gonna blow your guys' minds. So I don't know where this is at because it looped for a very long time on the server. So this could all be broken, but we're gonna find out together. What's probably gonna happen is I'm gonna destroy everyone in chat right now. I'm feeling absolutely locked in. I'm feeling dialed in today. My aim has never been better. Let me copy this link and put it into the chat here. And it's going to be the first one to join. First one to join. Let me guys know if you can see this link, because I know sometimes it's annoying. Join the game, join the game, join the game. We got Max's daddy. We got Canvas, of course. Kapira, Drunk Monkey, Vocal, Bruno, Humble. Somebody left. We have Gimpman. We have Kapira again. Guys, we need one more person. We need one last person. Come on, join. One last person, and then we are going to rip a vibe-coded game, Call of Duty, right now. Let's get in it. I got this guy right here. This is going to be easy kill right here. Done, right there, dead. Okay, nade's going out. A couple of them going out right there on the left. And then we come right around here. Ready? Oh, I got one with the nade. No! I did get someone with the nade, though. This guy's right here. Done. That was easy. Nade. Oh. I gotta step up. I gotta focus. All right, that guy's dead. I gotta get into my camp spot. Here. Nade out. Okay. That guy's gonna be dead in a second. They're both dead. Okay. Easy peasy. 1. And 2. Okay. I didn't kill that guy, but that's fine. Somebody's beating me. I have 5 points. They have 8 points. There's 1. There's 2. Here's 3 right here. No! There's 1. This is gonna be the long distance one right over here. No! There's 2. Sometimes I gotta hit him with the movement. A little bit. You could join next game. Alok. This is just a warm-up game. This is a vibe-coded game, guys. I made this with a Agentic Gauntlet loop, mainly with Opus 5 and Fable 5. There's 1. There's 2. I'm gonna go on a rip right here in this little area. No. There's 3. Here's 4. Where's 5? No! I'm winning. I'm in first place right now. There's 1. There's 2. Here's 3 right here. No! There's 3 right there. There's 4. Okay. Let's get some nades going. Come on! There we go. You guys, it's amazing how much better chat is getting. Like, just a couple weeks ago, I could just dominate everybody in chat. I don't know if I'm getting more gamers in my chat or you guys are just legitimately getting better at gaming. You guys are getting gaming mice and gaming chairs. I got two more kills, and then I'm gonna win. There's one. Here's the second. There you go. Just like that. Just like that. That's how it's done, baby. Max's daddy was on my ass. Drunk Monkey was on my ass. Bruno was on my ass. Gibman was on my ass. These are, I can't even tell you how heated these games are getting now. I can't even tell you how heated these games are getting now. Like, it used to feel like I would just dominate every one. And now it's literally like I have the most cracked gamer chat on planet Earth all of a sudden. All right, let's see if we can get the new game to... The new game is going to be the impressive one. So we'll do free for all. I guess let's rip a game of 3v3. It might be a little bit slow paced, to be honest. We'll do a game of 3v3 on the Dust 2 map, and we'll see if we can get it to work. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know. All right, it didn't load the game. Hold on. 3v3 Dust 2. All right, that time it worked. I'm gonna paste it in there. How to throw a grenade? You press G. Press G to throw a grenade. Here's a link. This is a 3v3 on a brand new map. Okay, this is a brand new map. We haven't tested this one yet, guys. Remember, this is a purely vibe-coded game. There's no assets being used here. We got Max's daddy. We got Bruno. We got Modder Iraq. We got Enio. And we got Poke Chop. Okay, stay in the lobby if you don't get in, because if people leave, you'll be put into the game. I'm going to start the game right now. This is a game of 3v3 on the Counter-Strike Dust 2 map, okay? 100% vibe coded. All right, we're missing a floor right there. That's fine. We got to fix that. All right, guys, let's roll out. Let's take the left-hand side there. Watch out for that nade that our teammate threw. Guys, come on. We got to push this tunnel over here. We're going to push this tunnel. They're going to be waiting for us right around this corner. Come on, guys. You guys with me? What do I got? I got Bruno and I got Enio. Come on, guys. They're going to be right around here. I know it. Nope, maybe not. We need more players in this map. We need way more players in this map, guys. I have a feeling we are going to be going in a circle right now. We are literally going in a circle. Oh, God. We're going to have to fan out. We're going to have to fan out. I'm terrified right now. I've literally never been this terrified. Oh, I hear him. They're up here. They're up at our bomb site. Oh, down here. I almost got one. Bruno, right behind you, Bruno! No! Not Bruno. It's 1-2. Guys, we need way more enemies. This has to be like a 6v6 at least. Bare minimum. Oh, God, they're coming from in here. I can hear them. They might be underneath, actually. I'm about to flank the whole team right here. Yup. Oh, he doesn't have it! I told you he doesn't have it! Enio, come down here with me. He's right here on the other side of this door. I promise. He's right here. Oh! No. I gotta healed up. Bruno, in. You gotta go in. You gotta push. I'm pushing. Fuck you guys. I hear one up here. Ooh! There's two of them. right, they're at mid. They're at mid. We got to go mid right now. Come on, guys. We got to go mid. Oh, they're up. They're up top. Can I jump up this? Oh, I can jump up this? Not really. That's got to be fixed. I hit him. I hit him. Oh, you're mine. You're mine. That was easy. 2v1 right here. 2v1 right here. Nade's going out. Nade's going out. How? There's one. How did that guy not kill Enio? There he is. There he is. I'm pushing. Got him. We're losing so bad. We're losing so bad right now. I need my team to step up. It's 17-8. There's 1 minute left. There's 1 minute left. We have to win here, guys. We're getting absolutely destroyed. I hear him. 3. I hear him. There's so many of them. I got one of them. Get in there. God. Why are they so good? We gotta go mid. Come on. Go. No! What am I doing? Thank you. 15 seconds left. It's 12-22. Oh, this is terrible. This is terrible news. All right. We can never play that a game again unless there's at least how many players per team? 8? That was 3 per team. That's way too little. We do 3 games each time. We got one more game. Holy shit, that was so fun, but I was with my touchpad. Damn. They were hacking, no way. I don't think they were hacking at all. I don't get the feeling they were hacking one bit. I don't think that we were locked in. I think we were actually not locked in at all. Yo, I love spectating mode. It's legit. I watch Pokechop rip, legit player. I know. Pokechop is nasty. And he tore me up. I don't know. Best vibe coded game I've seen, to be honest. We need some long-range weapons, sniping for playback wins. Dude, a sniper in that game, a one-shot headshot sniper would be insane. With like a really crisp, like, that you hear everywhere on the map. All right, we got one more game. Let's do why don't we do a free-for-all? Let's see if we can do a free-for-all on Dust 2. That'll be better because there'll be much more players. So I'll do create lobby free-for-all on Dust 2. Copy the link. That way there we have 10 players instead of 6. I'll paste that in there. And then everybody's a bad guy too. You need kill streaks? Yeah, I know. Yes, Darkfire, you can play. Guys, everyone can play. Anyone can play. This is going to be the last one. So if you guys want to play, hop in. This is going to be the last one until we hit our next like goal. Okay, and our next like goal I think is going to end up being 75 likes, I believe. 75. All right, so it's full, but stay in the lobby. So if you join, get in the lobby right now. Keep joining, and then you are going to you'll go into spectator mode as soon as somebody drops out, because I guarantee they will. Somebody will drop out, and it will put you in. Okay, so join right now. Put a skull on somebody on the mini map when they're 4+ kill streak. That's a great idea. All right, I'm starting the game. Here we go. Oh, God. All right, there's one. There's 2. Easy money. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. I'm about to flank the shit out of the other team right now. I mean, not the other team. These guys over here. They're never gonna see this coming. Watch, 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 watch. See? Oh, damn it. No, 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 no. There's one. That was kind of cheating, but that's okay. Oh, the spawns have to be changed. The spawns have to be changed. I gotta get my health back. I have 16 health. All right, health's coming back right now. All right, so somebody has 9 kills. I have 4. I should have stayed in the spawn area. We got to make the spawns when it's free for all much more random. They're all spawning over here. Look it, they're all spawning over here. There's one. There's 2. There's 3. We need a little bit of spawn protection because oh my god. Oh my god. I'm on a rip. I'm on a rip. I'm camping. I'm camping. I'm camping right now. We got a nade. Here's a nade right there. They're gonna walk into it. They're gonna walk into it. Oh, this is cheating. This is cheating. I'm cheesing right now. I'm absolutely cheesing. No, no, get back here. Get back here. How dare you walk away from that? $18 to 23. 18 to 23. Somebody's beating me. I got 5 health. I have 5 health in a dream. I gotta wait for my health to come back. I'm gonna lose this game if I don't get 2 kills here. Or, I need 5 kills here. These are hard shots. This is so far away. I gotta get this guy over here. This is the guy that's beating me. I guarantee it. No! No way. No way. Zero deaths is kind of crazy. I mean, 0 deaths is kind of crazy. Come on now. 0 deaths is kind of crazy. Spawn points need to be way more random. The new Scumpy. Buffed his stats. Because you camped. Yes, I did. I camped. I camped like crazy. I'm a gamer. I gotta cheat. I gotta do what I can. I have legitimately, I guarantee you, Modern Iraq is 20 years old. Okay? I'm a 32-year-old father. I have to take everything I can get. I'm unk. I can't compete against these 20-year-old kids. I can't do it. 32, bro, you are so old. See? See what I mean? I'm also 32. Real CS2 game mode with bomb 5v5, no respawn. That would be so good. That would be so good. All right. Let's get this closed out. Let's get the music back on. Let's lock in. Unbelievable, guys. That game came out so good. Let me, I want a, can you please build out the free-for-all mode to 15 total players? And right now, the spawns, everyone just spawning on top of each other in free-for-all in Dust. I'm talking about the Dust map specifically. I want there to be 15 players, and I want the spawns to be far more random, like all around the map. Right now, people are spawning on one side or the other side, and that's it, and they're all right next to each other. Best case scenario would be a spawn system to ensure that the player is spawning as far away from possible as the other players, given the spawn points. We also need to make sure that the spawns are not like outside of the map or something crazy like that. They have to be inside the map, and all the spawns need to be perfect. We need to make sure that the spawns are never like outside of the map. The player should always be feet on the ground inside the playable area when they spawn. The 3v3 mode on Dust only should be brought up to 6v6. If we could also make it round based, so there are 5 rounds total, and it is
Nice idea.
once you die inside. Shit, I'm an idiot. In the 6v6 game, specifically on Dust, change it so it is round based. So you have 1 life per round, and there are 5 rounds total. Think about all the like issues with a team getting a certain amount of wins in a row. Never mind. Let just have it be 5 rounds total and 1 life per round. And I think we should have a cool like little UI at the top just for this game mode, where it shows like how many people are left alive on each team with their username underneath it. Should be really small, really tasteful, really clean. Fan out sub agents to get all of this done using Fable 5 on medium for now. And then when all those sub agents finish, use a Fable 5 review agent to come in and make sure that everything works properly. If anything doesn't work, then have the sub agent get back to work. Switch canvas to CNVS.
Switched to CNVS.
Spawn a Claude Code agent.
Sky the Claude code is ready.
Put this on medium. Sky, I'm having a bug inside Canvas where NVIDIA Parakeet dictation will not finish my longer prompts. Like I'll do the push to talk, hold it, and it seems like as soon as I let the button off, it'll always stop like 8 words short or something like that, depending on how long my prompt is. It should always get every word that I said up to when I release the push to talk button.
Sent to Sky.
Focus chase. All right. How we doing? How we looking? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Search and destroy mode, max tell, and it will know. Dude, search and destroy mode would be so legit. Dude, search and destroy mode would be so insane. That's a whole thing though. Because we have to get like the BOMB planting mechanism. We have to get the actual BOMB. We have to get like the whole game mechanics. I'm definitely going to build that out 100%, but I would rather run a gauntlet loop that runs for like 12 hours on that versus trying to like one shot that. Like that's definitely something where we're going to be better off having a Fable 5 like orchestrator, a bunch of Opus 5 sub agents, and a Fable 5 reviewer just work for like 12 hours until it's perfect. I can already tell you right now, search and destroy mode with a BOMB, it's not going to be something it could do off the cuff. All right, so we have the actually, let's change this real quick. Where is it? It's right here. All right, at 75 likes, we're gonna rip Call of Duty again with chat. Okay, and Modern Iraq is not allowed to play because he just beat me. Imagine you beat me at my own vibe coded game and you just get banned from playing from now on. That's my own loop. That's my own perfect loop for ensuring that I always win. And so like I play with you guys, I win, play with you guys, I win. If somebody beats me, then we remove them from the game forever. Keep playing, winning. Somebody beats me, take him out, remove him forever. That way it just ensures I'm always number one. Apple event announced for September 9th, Surprise and Shine. Surprise and Shine. Adrian says, are you on the $200 Anthropic sub? Yes, I have 2 of them. Going to be a whole bunch of nothing like the others. I don't know. I have a feeling this is going to be... I think this is going to be pretty serious. Brandon says, yeah, any progress to the search and destroy diffuse computer? I didn't do any more work on that. I should have, but I didn't. I still want to see the Banana Claymore Max. LOL. Felipe, my guy. Welcome. Rico, what's up? Did you try out the 5.3 flash crap? I tried it out when it was Ox Alpha, and it's garbage. Tell the agents to write a spawning algorithm. Claude. Oh, Smelly Deli is here. Smelly Deli is here. And says Claude Fable 5 is now routing to 5.1 on Claude Web for some users to check if you have access. You can test this prompt, Opus 4.6 data release, and GPT image 1.5 without searching the web. Smelly, I have no idea what that means. Didn't you say that a few days ago? I do have to say, Smelly is always here with the latest and greatest info every time. Humble says, yeah, well, you ain't 53 and was playing in the wrong room against bots and thought I was just killing it. My guy Humble went to the wrong room. He's like, I'm winning. Fable 5.1 exists in Claude but ain't working for most. Worked out legs this morning and still can't sit without falling down. Jesus. That does happen. Especially when you start working your way back. I think you got to do legs 2 to 3 times a week. Otherwise, you're crippling soreness. Like if you're just going to hit legs once a week, do a hard squat workout with lunges and leg extensions and ham curls and calf raises. Enigmaticini, thank you so much for the sub. I really appreciate it. It means the world. Then you're going to be in a always state of soreness. Counterintuitively, if you bring your leg training up to like 2 times a week or 3 times a week, then your recovery goes through the roof and you're like almost never sore. It's crazy, I know, but that's just how it works. Got 10 billion Grok 4.6 tokens to burn over the next 2 days. What should I build? Why do you have 10 billion Grok 4.6 tokens? We need a flashbang too for Call of Duty. You guys have... I need to... For some of these things that I do care about... I was going to say that I don't care about. For some of these things that are just more fun, like the Call of Duty game, we should have like a board, right? So it's like canvas.dev /Kong, and then maybe it's like the feature board. And then so somebody could submit an idea. So I see all the ideas. There's an upvote button so that the ideas can get upvoted. And then I have the power to automatically click an idea and send it off to Fable 5 to be implemented. That's a banger setup. That's sort of like reinventing open source software. You understand what I'm saying? So it's like a board where you can submit an idea, and then there's upvoting for like the best ideas. And then I can just literally just click on one of the ideas, and then bang, an agent starts working on it. Tell Fable to build a user voice-like system, and it bangs it out real quick. Feature request board. What did you think of Grokbot? Did you test it? Might have missed it. Amateo, yes, I did test out Grokbot. I did. So I'm just like, I'm so confused with Grokbot right now, guys. Because like, here's my dilemma. Codex computer use is unreal. Like, it's so good. If you guys haven't tried out Codex computer use, I am commanding you to try it today. I know for a fact that you guys have some weird thing that you're procrastinating doing, okay, that can be done in a web browser or wherever the fuck on your computer. You just give it to Codex computer use, and it just does it for you. And then you don't even have to look at it. It might create psychological problems down the road that you're offloading things that you don't want to do to an AI agent. We're not going to worry about that right now. What we're going to worry about is Codex computer use is amazing. All right, and I'm gonna tell you really quick why. It has another mouse that it can use. So like, I could be using this monitor right here, can be all me. All right, this monitor that's in front of me can be all me. And then my third monitor over here. Let me see if my third monitor wants to work yet. I don't think it does. Drives me insane. Sometimes it wants to connect, other times it just doesn't want to. Anyways, so the third monitor, it could just be working over there with a separate mouse, totally unaffecting your current setup. You understand what I mean? So it's like there's two people using your computer. The second one is an AI agent running fully in the background. It's insane. I'm gonna have it learn a routine so that every morning it can like schedule the stream on YouTube and get OBS started and refresh the camera sources. And so essentially, like, in a perfect world, I'm just going to be able to come down here and the stream is already scheduled on YouTube. We could have it automatically send the Discord announcement, which I don't think I even did today. And then I just hit the go live button. And I'm like, so that's Codex computer use, which is amazing, which has access to your real computer. Grokbot, you're essentially having to go through the process of getting this virtual private server to have access to all your shit again, which could be easy if you have one password. The problem is it's using a data center IP address. So anything with bot protection is going to totally fuck up Grokbot from working. And then you're paying like a really good amount of money for it, and you're stuck on Grok 4.6 essentially as your main Grokbot model, which I like with Hermes. I could put on a virtual private server of my choosing. I could choose which model Hermes runs on. Just for like a power user like me, having the transparency, having the adaptability, the customization of Hermes feels a lot better for me. But I totally understand for the average person, Grokbot is almost exactly the same thing as the app that I created at the beginning of this year, QuickClaw, which did unbelievably well, where it takes care of everything for you. It's a monthly subscription. Like my app, QuickClaw, is a monthly subscription. You don't have to bring an API key for your LLM model. You don't have to worry about getting a virtual private server or a Mac Mini. It sets all that stuff up for you. So it's literally like the same exact thing I built. The chat with the agent back and forth inside of my QuickClaw app, the chat is built into the iPhone app. So you never even have to leave the iPhone app. Like you literally sign up for QuickClaw and then it dumps you into a chat with your QuickClaw agent. No API keys, no Mac, nothing. And that's essentially what Grokbot is. So it's good. It's good for the person that doesn't want to get a virtual private server or set up Hermes on their spare Mac computer, spare Windows computer, spare Linux computer, and then set up the communication relay with Telegram or Discord or whatever. For a, I hate this word, but for a normie who just wants to come in and you just want it to work, then it's amazing. But we still run into the issue where it has a data center IP address. So if I tell Grokbot, please go to walmart.com and order my groceries, it just can't do it. Unless I go to a residential, unless I go to like a proxy service, buy a residential IP address, tell Grokbot to proxy through it for all its requests. But now we're back into, why am I paying for this? I should just set up Hermes. Right? Does that make sense at all? Did I lose everyone? Open the Git for Call of Duty. I want to skin my weapon. Funny part is I use Grok 4.6 as my main Hermes model. It's funny because I could see myself doing the same thing right after saying I don't like that Grokbot is stuck on Grok 4.6. Grok 5 will fix this. Probably. Totally following. Thanks. Appreciate it. Hello, Grok 4.6 is killer on Hermes. I believe it. I believe it. It's probably really good on Hermes. Start planning your own Vibe Jam version. Great to get eyes on Canvas. That's a good idea. Like an upvote for game feature requesting. Yes. I suggested this for the prompting games format. User voice is so well documented everywhere that it just knows. I don't know what user voice is. Did you vibe code Canvas? I did vibe code Canvas. I did. Okay. There were 3 separate breaks stacked on top of each other. The phone thought nobody ever needed you. The Max roster speaks the lifecycle dialect, needs you from the... Okay, but the phone decoded it into a wire enum that only knows waiting, so every blocked agent decoded to nil and presented as quiet. That's why your thread showed nothing, and the masthead said, nobody needs you. Fixed in Canvas Mobile, accepts both dialects pinned to a test. Let me see what it looks like. All right, this... No. A stale cache snapshot mask, the fresh count. All right, let me see if this changed anything at all. Add, Claude, Fable, Medium, Summon, fake password. Okay. Let's summon an agent on the test canvas, which is right here. Do the plan mode thing where you ask me questions. I'll switch into plan mode. Then ask what we're planning.
Marshall needs your input.
Marshall needs my input. Okay. All right, so I'm on the iOS simulator that I have open right now. Do we need to restart this or something to see the changes that you made? Because when I enter plan mode, I'm still just getting a blank screen like this. And so you can imagine if a user was on their iOS app on the go, this would completely freeze their workflow. Okay. Reload the phone. I don't know. I thought that it did reload the phone when I was playing Kong. I thought that it closed and reopened the phone. But we're going to find out right now. So, are we ontology engineers now? It changes every week. What? What? Guys, I think the two biggest opportunities right now are, I know everybody wants to build ADs right now, because that's what all the cool kids are doing. But the two biggest opportunities right now that I'm seeing and I'm feeling is agentic services. So providing a MCP, an API endpoint that a agent like Grokbot, like Claude Code, or even Claude Desktop app, or Hermes, or OpenClaw, or any of these can utilize your service and then give you money for it. 100% agentically. It is insane that we are not building this at full force right now, you and me. The most difficult thing for me to wrap my head around. So for instance, like there's Nevo with there's Nevo who has Postis, okay? If you guys don't know Nevo, he has Postis, and his revenue is third-party verified. Here's profile.stripe. This is his actual Stripe link, right? Postis just reached $180,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Right here is where OpenClaw released. All right, so essentially OpenClaw agents were able to use Postas to automatically make marketing posts and then post on Instagram, TikTok, all the social media sites, YouTube Shorts, anything you can think of. All right. And I mean, it went from $2,000 in monthly recurring revenue to $180,000 in monthly recurring revenue because people want their agents to be able to do shit. They want their agents to be able to do shit. I mean, I cannot believe there are that many people that have agents and they're having their agents do stuff for them. I can't believe there's that many people out there doing that. I'm almost in disbelief, but like if you didn't show me that graph and you didn't show me other people's like Stripe graphs of offering agentic services, I would be like, we are 4 years away from people having their agents, people buying services that their agents are going to use. Like we're at least 4 years away from there. That market is so small. The total addressable market there is so small. You can't get to $500 in monthly recurring revenue. But that just goes to show you have no idea. You just have no idea. Until you build it and you put it out there, you have no idea. So the Postas things make sense because an agent cannot just OAuth into Instagram, into YouTube Shorts, into X, into TikTok, and start posting. Like there is a wall there. There is a wall that there's nothing the agent can do. It can't vibe code itself into that. Like there's a review process you have to go through with TikTok. There's a review process you got to go through with Meta. And it's a pain in the ass. So you bypass the pain by having the agent just go straight to Postas, give them their money, and use their service to make posts on social media. My brain struggles to understand where other areas are where there's walls like that. Do you understand what I'm saying at all? Type a 1 in chat if you guys understand what I'm saying at all. My brain struggles to understand where there are walls that make it valuable to offer your MCP, your API, at a charged price for agents. I mean, can anybody think of one right now off the top of their head so that I could steal it and go make $1 million? No, but no, I'm serious. Told you Clippo should have been an MCP for the clipping industry. I mean, it's not too late. We can still make the Clippo MCP. I mean, I already did make the Clippo MCP. It would just be advertising that. It would just be advertising that. And how funny would that be is if like we built Clippo in the beginning of the stream, we made like, I don't know, $1,500, $800, whatever it is from Clippo. And then I went and built Canvas. We made $45,000. And then I go back, use Canvas to build Clippo back up to like the agentic clipping service. But even then, people could vibe code Clipper. They can do that. And people do that. They post about it on X all the time where people vibe code their own Clippers, you know? I mean, it's a pain in the ass. Yes. I think there's something to be said for like if we made the best clipping MCP service, but if somebody's going to have Claude to do their clipping or Grokbot or whatever it is, I don't know. They might go through the extra effort of actually, you know, sitting down and being like, okay, I can download the YouTube video. I can use Whisper to transcribe it. I can use those transcriptions to find the clips, then cut the clips, then remove the silences, then turn it into vertical format, use Perceptron to figure out where the face is or the subject of interest is in the shot, and use Whisper to create the captions and overlay the captions, use a Python script to make the hook at the top. Like people could vibe code that. There's not the same wall that there is with Postiz where it's like you literally can't vibe code getting past the review process of TikTok. After a few tools and practice passes, clipping and editing works really well in Buzz. How would you track action with a clipper? I wouldn't. I would just, like if I were to build Clippo up, I would just straight market to streamers like myself. Who there's like not a ton of weird shit going on, and it's mainly just their face, talking head. And I would use a LLM like Perceptron. That's what I do in Clippo, where it knows where your face is in the video. It's saving time by using something already made and verified working. That's true. Simon! Yeah, Grokbot is like Hermes with training wheels. Higgsfield MCP, is that the one? The Asset Gen 1, that's the best one I could think of, but you can't build that. Higgsfield MCP, is that the one? Why, do they do clipping now? You can use keyword research and active traffic to see where the felt gaps are. That's a lot easier said than done. CJS says, Max, would you ever take call-ins? Yeah, at some point. Simon says, have you seen the game we announced in Discord yesterday? I haven't seen any videos or anything like that, but I saw the post. Have you played with Spotify pedalboard yet? I added to my harness effects on my text-to-speech. Spotify pedalboard. No, I haven't heard of Spotify pedalboard. If I watch a video on Spotify pedalboard, are they going to ban me from YouTube? Spotify pedalboard is a Python library for working with audio. Reading, writing, rendering, adding effects, and more. It supports most popular audio file formats and a number of common audio effects out of the box, and also allows the use of VST3 and audio unit formats for loading third-party software instruments and effects. Huh. Guitar style effects. Very cool. Very cool. Stop it. I've been using APFI, and there are some really good actors that do keyword research and even a discovery mode for adjacent terms. I did this morning, got 300 rows of results for like $2. I use it to add effects to my text-to-speech. Don says, I just added clipping today to Bento Flow. Just need to clean up the prompts. What is Bento Flow? All right, I thought you guys were going to be, way more insightful on the Post's agent spending situation. We can all agree that it's a tricky situation, but we should be wrapping. I don't want to say should. It's a tricky situation. It would be advantageous for us financially to put thought into what are the services agents are going to need access to that the agent can't just straight up vibe code itself. Those markets are exploding right now, and not exploding just a little bit, exploding like $180,000 in monthly recurring revenue a bit. And I'm going to leave it there. Amateo says, totally agree that agent services are worth deeply considering and evaluating, especially with crypto payment rails built in. But what do you mean cannot vibe code it? We would vibe code these agents, no? Transported reality. I mean, so like when I was just giving the example of Post is, the reason why agents are spending money on Post is, so like let's say I fire up a Hermes agent and I want it to create a beautiful Instagram post for my business. It can't just go post on Instagram, but it can go use Postez, which is like a post scheduling tool that has OAuth straight to Instagram, and it can post through Postez to Instagram. And the reason why you can't vibe code that is because you would literally have to add a developer account to Instagram and then wait like 4 weeks for the Meta approval process, probably get denied 4 times. In the process, you would most likely just give up and then end up just going back to Postez and giving them money. You know? My friend got accepted for his app. I got accepted for my app too. But it's painful enough that the majority of people are just going to pay to have that taken care of. XLI says, what agent can't vibe code is data and taste. Industry don't matter. Pick one you are good at. What agent can't vibe code is data and taste. So, to be devil's advocate, like Post is neither data nor taste. Hardest approval for me was TikTok. TikTok's insane. It's crazy. I don't think I ever got approved for TikTok in the end. I thought you'd be more excited, Max, about the game. We will advertise Canvas 2. I haven't even seen the game, Simon. Post a video of you guys playing the game inside Wins in Discord, and that'll fire me up. I can't be excited about something I don't even. I'm not messing with you. Don, I'm never leaving Canvas. I'm never leaving Canvas. All right, but what do you mean? All right. Oscar! All right, yes, a restart was needed, and I've just done it. The sim app was rebuilt and relaunched. The one where you guys, we have 80 people in here right now, which is fucking crazy. We have 80 people right now in the absolute drought of AI, which is unbelievable. What I need is for you guys to head over to that like button and slap a like on the stream. We're at only 36 likes right now. Guys, there's 80 people in here. There's 80 people in here across all social media. I need you to go to YouTube and I need you to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, I need you to subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. All right, Shoni says there's a video with the creator posted explaining how he went from 30K to 140K of MMR using X articles. Yeah, I know. I've seen the video. I've seen the video, Shoni. I love that guy. He's great. He's great. Me and him have gone back and forth on X since he was doing no revenue. He put himself in an insane... He is the trademark story of like hard work and not giving up and commitment and flexing your willpower, your discipline, flexing your staying power, like massively increases your surface area for luck. Right? I don't know if you guys know the story of the Postis guy, but essentially another one of my friends on X, Oliver, made the skill for OpenClaw that's automated his iOS app's marketing with OpenClaw using Postis. And the motherfucker made an article about it, and it went ridiculously viral. I almost used the other R word. I don't want to get canceled here. It went ridiculously viral, which was a direct advertisement for Postis. So Oliver essentially came in, Postis, Nevo, was at, I don't even know how, I think he was at like $2,000 in monthly recurring revenue. This article shot his monthly recurring revenue for Postis through the goddamn stratosphere. Could you imagine that? Like, imagine that you're just, you know, in your lab, you're just working away, making the best goddamn open source scheduling, social media scheduling software you possibly can. It's like, it's not like a true massively livable income, like at least where I live. And then someone comes in, some kid comes in, does this crazy shit with this new technology, OpenClaw, uses it to advertise his iOS app, and then just blasts your app into another realm. And you're just sitting there like, mind you, marketing is the hardest part of everything. So essentially somebody came in and was like, why is the drought of AI? Did I miss something? We're just in, remember I was talking, I shouldn't even say this. Sergio, thank you so much for subbing. That means the world. I shouldn't even say this, but remember like last week or 2 weeks ago, I was talking about how we're sort of in a lower time in the hype cycle of the AI world. Like, we were getting dopamine maxed out of our minds. Bang, 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 bang. For like, literally, I don't even know, 3 weeks on end. And then when I was saying that the same day, Grok 4.6 got released. So I got to be careful about saying shit like that. All right, let me see. Add agent, Claude, Fable, Medium. Please do the thing where you enter plan mode. You're right about the severity on the go. Every plan mode or ask user question turn was a dead end. 2 things worth knowing for later. Not blocking today. The
Sky needs your
plain
input.
screen red is capped at 30 lines, 1,500 characters on the Mac, which holds these dialogues, but a very long one could push the prompt question line off the top, worth a pocket-specific budget eventually. And since prompt fusion itself is still there for agents reading each other's TUI screens, the proper fix is rendering that burst through a headless grid on the Mac. Left both in memory. Jesus. I am not talking about the needs you alert. Yes, obviously it's nice to have the needs you alert. But if I cannot answer the questions in the plan mode, then I am completely frozen as far as continuing using this agent. Can you please give me the most ultra brief response back for a surgical fix to this problem that would allow us to enter plan mode, view the questions on the iOS app that are being asked in the terminal user interface on the Mac app, and see them inside the iOS app? So this sort of goes back to the thing that I was talking about before, where if you guys were here for that stream, because we are using the JSON-L file to read the terminal situation, we run into weird stuff here where we have to figure out how to make the plan mode work. The fix for exactly that is already in the build. I just relaunched on your sim. The phone now scrapes the rendered terminal instead of the since prompt text, which arrived word fused and made the parser refuse every dialogue. No Mac restart needed. Check in the sim, tap canvas, marshal the question, and its options should be docked. At the bottom of the thread, tapping one answers the TUI. If the thread is still blank, tell me, and I'll go straight at the thread, view render path. Okay. Thread is still blank right now. Why? I think the issue is with the ask user question tool, not the plan mode. Do you monitor contact window usage? I usually have to hand off into new sessions after 300k tokens because the AI becomes dumb. You know, I don't. I used to do that. I used to do much better about that, like when you enter the dumb zone. I probably should go back into doing that, but to be honest, I'm pretty good about, like, every time I want something new done, I fire up a new agent and it does it, and then I kind of close that agent. So I'm guessing that I almost never end up in, like, the dumb zone as far as tokens go. Did you guys see the video that Theo put up recently? It was a great video where he talked about the memory files delete your Claude MD memory files. It's really stuck with me. And then the guy that's always doing the skills, Matt Pocock, made like a follow-up to that. Where, I mean, he just communicates so elegantly. Like, it's definitely a massive issue that we have right now, where all these memory files, all these MD files, the agents are using those instead of the actual code, or the code is not clear enough for the agent to just go off of that and get an understanding of what is happening. And it's putting us in the wrong direction with everything. We're spending tokens, we're creating bugs. Found and fixed the last link, rebuilt, relaunched. The app is back on projects. Tap Canvas Marshall now. Canvas, Marshall. What should this plan be about? Agent asks, what should this plan be about? Okay, so here's Marshall. I'm going to grab this. We're going to drop this in here. I'm going to give this to the agent. I'm going to screenshot this. I'm going to drop this in here. I'm going to give this to the agent. I'm going to say, okay, so we have this agent asks prompt at the bottom, which is great. I like it. I like it. I like it. But it does not give us the multiple choice answers at all that are inside the terminal user interface. I don't use Claude memory files. Claude just do random things in the back, overfitting situations with putting actual thoughts into the root cause problem. How do you go about not using Claude memory files? Is there a setting to turn it off? I checked it out on the web UI Claude settings to view memories, and mine weren't so bad. Are there other memory file listed not in the web UI? That's what we need to know. I don't think that that's the right way to look at it, Mark Drake. Sig says, check out the unslop skills from PStack. Apps Creator says, yes, true. Attention Max played. It's not about plan mode. What are you guys saying right now? What are you guys telling me? Also, guys, there's 84 people on the stream right now. Like the stream so we can play some Call of Duty later. Slap that like button for me. Yes, true. Attention Max played. It's not about plan mode. What do you mean? This is plan mode right here. Correct? Am I smoking crack? Here's what should this plan be about? And then here's my plan options. See, I'm going up and down him. You see? So I have this. I have this guy right here. Oh! Oh! I mean, it's ugly as sin, but you got to admit, we did do it. Now, this is going to be our first prompt of the stream. This is going to, I mean, our first poll of the stream. Do you think this will work? This will work, question mark. And so work means when I hit this button, it's going to select the option over here. Do you think this will work? I'm going to grab my water. I'll be right back. Please vote. Please vote. Please vote. Yeah, if you're not using quite a few tools from PStack, you need to check them out. Potato mode is outstanding for surgical code edits. I've checked them out. The Zarion says, that's sick, Max. Holy simplified vibe coding. Let's fucking go. Where's the poll? It's on the YouTubes. On the YouTubes. Brian Ball, it's at the bottom of the YouTubes. Somebody show Brian where it is, please. I'll be right back. All right, massive come up. Massive come up. All right, first of all, Cosmic Crisp Apple. I didn't drop the apple. New water bottle delivered. 64. $64 ounces. 2 of these bad boys, I'm good to go. Think about how often I'm going to have to go pee on stream. Just think about how often. Unreal. All right, 60% of you say yes. I just don't think it's going to happen. Let's try it. Let's try it. Fuck it. Let's try it. All right, I'm going to hit uncommitted voice work right here. Uncommitted voice work right here, okay? No, I'm going to hit something else. Something else. No, I'm going to hit uncommitted voice work. What's wrong with me? Okay. I hit it. Password. It says uncommitted voice work.
Marshall needs your input.
No. Yes. It was there and now it's gone. It was there and now it's gone. Apparently there's a pre-tool use hook that can be configured to run custom code to ask user question. You're right back. Need to go cut the datum grass again. Like, do you just periodically wipe your agent's memory, Max? No. For the terminals, are you using SwiftTerm or Ghosty? I don't remember what it is. It's a Swift terminal. All right. Okay, so it popped up for the first question. I answered the question. It was amazing. Very nice. Me like you a lot. But when the next question came, it popped up on my iOS app for me to answer the question and then vanished before I could actually answer it. And the question is still up inside the terminal user interface on the Mac app. Has anybody tried Omaki? Has anybody tried Omaki yet? GPT translate that as "me like you a lot." I think we're gonna have to test out Omaki. For those of you guys that have no idea what I'm talking about, Omaki is a like flavor of Arch Linux that the guy that created Ruby on Rails, DHH, who's kind of a badass baller individual. I was listening to his podcast and he was like, I'm not going to do his accent, but his accent's awesome when he says it. He's like, it's man's responsibility to keep the Italian craftsmen building Ferraris and purchase a Ferrari when they have the money to do so. But he created Omaki, which is like Arch. It's highly opinionated. It comes with like all the tooling set up. There's like very little to no mouse support, so it's all keyboard. And it's built for people who love computers and want to use computers at like max potential. It's a malleable AI first operating system. So essentially your agent can just straight up modify the operating system. Malleable. You know what we need to get? There's a simulator MCP that we need. Times are bad. You are using big words. We're too old to be listening to other men. Very interesting. Wow. It is. Why does it feel like every time a Undone is trying to convince me to use Linux, there's always a philosophy involved, like it's American Revolution? That's so true. It's different this time, guys. It's different this time. Trust me. All right, tap canvas, then Marshall. Okay, fix, rebuilt, relaunch, tap canvas, Marshall. The second question should be docked and stay until you answer it. All right, what happens? What happens? Like, type something can't really be an option because type something would be like you go to this and then you type something. You know what I'm saying? But let's just I don't really want it to do all of this. I guess I'll hit chat about this. Let's chat about this. Which commands should the tail guard protect? So it kept working. It kept working. Also sticky notes / markdown. did you see this in hybrid Max Fusion mode only, or also with GPT real time / every prompt dictation? Let's see. So this is the multi-selector. We're really getting it all right now. We're getting it all right now. Because I have a feeling as soon as I hit one of these, let me screenshot this just to make sure I have it. Put this here. We'll put this here. Hybrid mode. Oh, it fucking... Wow. I would have bet everything that would not have worked like that. The only problem is, how are we going to hit submit? So if I hit hybrid mode, okay, it doesn't work. It worked for a second. It was cool. It was really cool. And then it didn't work.
Marshall needs your input.
Yeah, I know Marshall does. I'm trying to help him. Okay. I need to clean this up. This is a nightmare. This is a nightmare. All right. First off, unreal job making them stay up while the turns are going. Like, amazing job. Amaze. I ran into another snag, and that is the multi-select mode, as you can see here on the screen. Sometimes Claude will have a question where you can select multiple options and then hit submit. So we are going to have the iOS app work perfectly for this scenario. There's a sick part of me that wants to just somehow disable plan mode entirely. Because I don't know if anybody's going to be doing plan mode on their phone, but maybe. Checking off now. Yeah. So it did check off, but we still don't even have the submit option, which is what we're gonna need. Here at the bottom, the submit, we're gonna need that. Like, we can select them, it seems like, but we are not able to. Oh God. All right, I'm going to. Oh my God.
Multi-probe needs your input.
It's probing me. I'm being probed. All right, I'm going to let this probe me. What's plan mode? Plan mode is when Claude asks you the questions. I almost never do plan mode. We used to do plan mode a lot more. I would tell it to grill me. But just recently, like at the stage of development I'm at right now, we don't really need that as much, so I have not been using that very often. No, Max, not plan mode. Look back at Marshall. Apps Creative, what in the world are you talking about today? On Canvas. This is the little plan mode right here. This is a little... Apps Creative, are you... Ask user question is the name. Plan mode is VS bypass. Apps is prompting you in caveman mode, Max. Ask user question is the name. Plan mode is VS. Oh, I'm just calling the wrong thing. Oh, I see what you're saying. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Use ask user question tool. Ah. So I've been working the wrong thing for the last 2 hours now. Is that what you're telling me, Apps Creative? But also, it doesn't really matter because it's going to be the same. Like, we have to fix this. We have to fix this anyways. Fable understood. You have no worries. Thank God for Fable. Thank God for Fable. Guys, we have almost 80 people here in the stream. If you could, please slap a like on the like button right now. Do not wait. So that we can get another game of Call of Duty in with chat. Also, let me go and check and see where this agent is at. Done. Live at canvas.dev/Kong. Pushed as 6BB6A45. Health okay on map children. FFA equals 15 players. Room cap 15. Bots filled at 15 until friends take seats. Spawns all over the map. The pool is now the 12 authored spawns plus 184 validated nav graph nodes, 196 points. Selection is farthest from every living player, keeping the existing line of sight and anti-crowd penalties. Every spawn is verified after placement. Inside bounds. Feet exactly on the floor. Standing cylinder. Guys, don't you want to try this?
Multi-probe 2 needs your input.
Multi-probe 2. Now I'm getting multi-probed. Don't you want to try this, guys? Slap a like on the stream. When we hit 75 likes today, we are going to jump into Call of Duty. It just fired up the free-for-all mode so that it has spawns all over the map. Okay, 196 different spawn points. It is going to spawn you in from the farthest away spawn point from any of the closest player, allowing us to have a organic feeling free-for-all mode. TDM 6v6 is now round-based. 1 life per round, 5 rounds. Round ends on elimination or a 2-minute timer. More alive wins. Tie equals no points. 5-second intermission with a round and peel/pulp banner. Fresh 3-2-1. Match ends at 3 wins. Early clinch or after round 5. Scoreboard end cards show rounds 1. Kill cam holds until the next round respawns you. Team side spawns got extra points, so 6 don't stack. Wait, no. Kill cam holds until the next round. Okay, but that should probably be spectate. Everything here sounds unbelievably incredible, awesome. The only thing that concerns me is the kill cam holds until the next round respawns you. It would be unreal, cool, amazing if when you perish or DIE in the game, of course, you go into a spectate mode so you can click through the players only on your team remaining. Perish. Absolutely perish. Ask Creative is like, wait, you're going to blow it all up, Max. Danger, Will Robinson. Holy crap. What I do? W stats, man. Grok 4.6 kind of came out nice. Manually change that timer to say 3 hours in AGI pace. True, 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 true. Holy shit, we're at 66 likes. We are 10 likes away from dropping into, I'm going to say, the best multiplayer vibe coded experience the world has seen. Like I think it's fair to say that this is the best vibe coded multiplayer first person shooter experience in the world right now. I think it's totally fair. Lucky said it's true, so it has to be true. I'm thinking that having a 64-ounce water bottle is going to change my life, by the way. If you guys haven't already gotten a 64-ounce water bottle and are drinking 2 of them every single day, I need you to do it immediately. I don't know what you're waiting for. I can't save you. All right, let's switch back over to Canvas is amazing, by the way. I'm coding on my server right now inside of Claude Code, and I'm about to switch over to another Canvas that has the app Canvas that we're coding right now. And check it out. Where's our CNVS branded water bottle? I know. You guys should have got one with the Canvas purchase. I'm sorry. I don't know why those haven't sent out yet. A nice black, like a matte black water bottle. And then the Canvas text is gloss black. So it's black on black on black, all black. But the Canvas logo and text is gloss black on top of it. That's the build. That's the water bottle build right there. All right, kit builds and test pass, checking the Mac build and rebuilding the Sim app. Cool. We need a Canvas meme hat and water bottle. We actually really do. We really, really do. I'm not even lying about that. 100%. Yeah, wait, where is John Ben? Are we not cool enough for John anymore? Is that what happened? I mean, I'm not necessarily like complaining massively about the situation. I'm not I'm not complaining about the situation. Exactly. But it does worry me when he's gone for a few days in a row like this. He's chewing on bark somewhere else. All right, guys, we are 9 likes away from playing Call of Duty with the chat. We have 76 people watching right now, live in the chat, which is unreal. You guys could make that happen in this moment. I don't know if the agent is done yet, actually. The agent is almost done. It's been working for 5 minutes. You guys can make this happen. Also remember that every like goes towards saving a developer from Gemini Flash 3.7. Okay, I know a lot of you don't know this, but we did start a foundation where I have pledged that every like on the stream, for every stream, the proceeds from that like goes straight to saving a developer from falling into the unfortunate hands of Gemini Flash 3.7. This is real, guys. There's developers out there
Multiprobe 3 needs
across
your input.
my country, your country, the world. And it's crazy because you wouldn't believe it. They're in your own neighborhoods, guys. These people are in your own neighborhoods. And they're out there living life thinking that Gemini Flash 3.7 is an acceptable way to vibe code. I know. Listen, I was shocked when I heard the stats, and I heard that this is a real affliction that is causing pain and suffering to people that you might know. So please hit that like button and let's see how many developers we can save from falling into the cold, dead hands of Google Gemini Flash 3.7 and 3.1 Pro. Oscar says, please don't tell me about it. I don't like to know about the negative stuff. I'm sorry. I hate to even bring it up because I like to leave the stream positive, but it is a real thing that's going on right now. And only us as a stream can help fix the issue. Oh, here we go. Hold on. I am one of them. See, I told you guys. Listen, you guys don't ever believe me. You don't ever believe me. We have a developer here with us today in the stream. He says, I am one of them. Student free account. Let me do more than the $20 Claude plan. Only you guys, only you, I'm talking specifically to you, can help Fribexy by hitting the like button on the stream. It's up to you guys. It's up to you guys. Wait, we can't look at them as lost cause, though. We need to bring our Forsaken Gemini brethren into the fold. Zarion, that's why I created the foundation. That's why I created the Blade Lab for Gemini affected developers nonprofit organization. And every one like on the stream goes directly towards helping those in need. And I pledge there's nothing happening on my end. I'm not taking any cut or anything like that. Your like goes directly towards helping them. Abby says, speaking of Gemini, they just released Gemini 3.5 Transcribe. Zarion says, the foundation help comes with mental therapy. It does. It does. I Am Lucian says, one like equals one saved life. Unbelievable. Wow. Let's check out what these bastards have released now. Hold on. I can't believe this.
Multiprobe 3 finished the task.
I think it's funny how only some people can put links in chat for some reason. I don't know. Some people say they can't. Some people say they can. Okay. Introducing Gemini 3.1 Transcribe, our most precise speech-to-text model yet. Designed for intelligent voice iteration, this new model seamlessly handles self-corrections, handles self-corrections, removes filler words to deliver clean, formatted text, understands your natural intent and speaking style, captures audio even in noisy environments, supports 85 plus languages. Try it today in the Gemini API and in AI Studio. Wow. Look at all these
Single
people.
probe needs your input.
Look at all these poor individuals.
Single probe finished the task.
It's really unfortunate. It's really unfortunate. It's funny because I can almost guarantee that that's probably pretty good. Like, that would be one of those weird edge cases where it'd be fantastic. Like, just a straight weird edge case. Holy shit. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. I'm going to have to file this guy back. I mean, he posted it on X, so I'm okay with showing this. If anybody gets mad at me for showing this, then so be it. But he publicly posted this on X. So I'm giving myself permission to... Anything that somebody publicly posts on X, we can all agree, yay. Type a 1 in chat, yay. I can show it on stream, right? Yay or nay, right now. 1, yes. 1, fair game. Okay, all right. Dude, look at my man's setup right now. Are you kidding me? What the fuck? Listen, we're not all going to do the thing where we try to figure out where he is, but he's someplace awesome. Dude, all I know, it's got to be Greece. First of all, we're not going to do the thing where we're trying to figure out where he is, but dude, that's the raw dog setup. I'm sorry. If I didn't have children, I don't know if Ryan is here right now. If you're here right now, dude, thank you so much for the support. It means the absolute world to me. I get 2 babies and 3 dogs, and it's like I've sort of stripped the possibility of that situation kind of out of my own hands. But whoo-wee, could you imagine how productive that environment would be? The sun right outside right there, computer setup right there, pool right there. Oh my God. Wow. Multi-select is done. I mean, well done. Well done, dude. I mean, well fucking done. Angry's vibe coding, but still not getting cheeks. Yes, I'm hating. See general chat, Max. Feedback, please. Somebody give Max $1 million already so we can go on vacation at the pool, please. Yes, please. We need a pool vacation immediately. Back that up with a RIP. My Grammy, she got hit by a bazooka meme next to the Gemini users seeing the next Fable model release. Yeah, that's winning. It's massive winning. My guy is winning. Huge. He's killing it. He's killing it. That fires me up. Guys, I would like to remind you right now that we have 78 people watching the stream. We are at 69 likes. Very nice. First of all, very nice. Second of all, we are 6 likes away from hopping into the #1 vibe-coded game on planet Earth, multiplayer first-person shooter, made by yours truly. 6 likes away. Let's see if we can make this happen right now. Let's see if we can make this happen right now. All right, what was underneath? Answers were going in as prompt, rap recorded as agents. Okay, great. Let me go here. Let me go here. Hold on. Medium, summon. Canvas dev. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Fake password. Okay. Can you please go into the ask user question mode? Make it about fruits. Where to say?
Rubble needs your input.
Ready in browser with banana shipping. Elon looking over the shoulder. I mean, share the product. Oh, see general chat feedback. Humble, this is incredible. Very nice. Very nice. Humble is building a legit system tray. A tray bar app that allows for the live stream to be in his tray bar, which is fully psychotic in the best way possible. So, I mean, I guess I'm living right now in his tray bar, believe it or not. Let me out! Let me out of here! Look, there I am. What's going on with this percentage? Humble, what's going on with the percentage? Oh, the little expandable. The little expandy chat. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, today has been the day of showcasing Humble's products. His bedtime stories that I have that he doesn't even have. Unreal. All right, favorite fruit. Let's go with mango. Pretty easy choice there, to be honest. Mango it is. A fine pick. That was the question mode demo you asked for. Okay. Do a question mode demo with the multiple option support.
Rubble needs your input.
All right, which fruits would you put in a fruit salad? Mango, kiwi. This is so ugly. Type something. Pineapple. Continue. Submit answers. All right, so that was the ugliest thing I've ever seen, but it did work perfectly. It did work perfectly. All right, so I feel really good about that. We got it functionally working, which means later today / tomorrow, we have to make it look beautiful. That being said, we've hit 76 likes on the stream, which means we are loading up Call of Duty, the very best vibe-coded first-person shooter on the entire internet, to play with chat right now. Holy shit, let's go. I'm fired up. Stay right here. Stay right here. If you are at your computer, I'm going to put a link. I'm going to put a link in chat, and we're going to try this out. Let me make sure that the mode got updated first. That's actually paramount. We head over to Kong. No, it's not quite done yet. Wait. 19 out of 19. Committing, building, deploying, pushing. All right, perfect. I'm going to use the restroom. I'll be back in literally 15 seconds, and then we're going to load it up. It just finished right now. Let's go. I'll be right back. Can you please do a countdown before you create the game? Yes, I can. It's kind of crazy that it still only works in incognito mode for me. I don't know if it's like that for anybody else, but that's just how it be right now, I guess. All right, guys, I'm going to put the link in chat. We're going to start off with a free-for-all on Dust, on the map Dust. Hold on one second. All right, I'm going to put the link in chat in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Link is in chat. Link is in chat. Link is in chat. Link is in chat. Go join. Link is in chat. Go join. Go join. Go join. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So this has the updated spawn. So it should spawn us away from each other. And I'm going to go full board. I'm not holding back at all. I'm going to fully lock in this round. Guys, even if you join and it's full, it'll put you in spectate mode and somebody will leave. I guarantee one person will leave and it will put you right into the game. So if you join and it's full, stay in the game. If you haven't already, guys, join the lobby at the link that I just put in chat. Join the lobby at the link that I just put in chat. And we are going to play the best vibe-coded game on the internet right now together. We have Lucky, we have Automato, we have Monster, we got Abby Knight, we got Humble, we got Kabira, we got Mama, we got Gemini A-Star, we got Oscar, we got Zarion, we got Alonzo, we got Alopt Vanny, we got Nana, 47YL, and we need one last person. We got Gipman. Let's go. All right, I gotta be on my game. This is our first ever 15-person game on the server. It looks like there's a guy right here. I'm gonna take him out. All right, I got the first person. Oh, this is scary. Wait, why is everybody frozen? Okay, I got another person. I just died. Oh, come on. I got a real person right here. Nade out, baby. Nade out. I'm gonna push off that nade. They're running from me. They don't want the smoke. I got him stuck in the room over here. Get out of here, baby. No! All right, it's 5v5. I'm tied with the winner right now. The winner's at 5, and I'm at 5. Who's winning right now? I see somebody over here. I'm sorry, buddy. I had to do it. Oh, it's so good with the new spawns and the more people. All right, I'm in the lead. I'm in the lead. I hear somebody over here. I hear somebody on the left. I get my health up. Got him. Is that going to kill me? I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Wait, why are some people stuck? The link is in the description. The link is in the chat. The link is in the chat. Oh, I hear people everywhere. I hear people everywhere right now. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. I'm winning by 1 point right now. Oh, I got someone up here. I got someone up here. Nade out. Nade out. No, 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 no. It's bad nade. It's bad nade. No! Are you kidding me? They're stream sniping me. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh, it's so terrifying. With this many people in the lobby, it's like a whole different game. I got somebody behind me. I got somebody behind me. No! How could I lose that? That was a great nade, but I didn't need it. Get over here! Get over here! Whoa! They're cheating! They're cheating! They're cheating! Did I get him? Oh. What is it? It's 15 to 14? Somebody is right behind me. Somebody is literally right behind me right now. Guys, this has to be the best vibe-coded first-person shooter on the internet right now. And we use no assets on this game. Everything is made with AI. Fable 5 and Opus 5 in a loop. 8 days total of looping. I mean, it feels incredible. It feels incredible. This actually is the first vibe-coded game where I'm like, this is getting good. This is starting to get really dialed. We need to fix the audio a bit, as I'm hearing footsteps everywhere. I got this guy coming for me. I'm gonna bait him with the nade. Yes. How did that not get him? All right, it's 19 to 20. I'm losing by 1 point. I need to step up. I need to step up. I don't know why somebody keeps falling for this situation right here. This is a good spot, though. This is a good spot. I like this. This is my camp spot right here. I got someone right here. This is like the iconic Counter-Strike spot, so this is good. No way! No way. It's made in 3JS. It's made in 3JS, Bane. No way. Guys, we are going to run it back. We're going to run back team mode now, okay? We're going to run back team mode. Don't go anywhere. Tactical nuke incoming. Lucky, how did you do it? I said it last time, but the chat is getting like way too good. I used to be able to beat chat every time. The chat is getting way too good. We have Lucky at the very top, 25 kills, 15 deaths. Gitman 23 and 10. I'm underneath with 23 and 12. Monster with 19 and 12. Zarion with 15 and 6. Abby Knight with 15 and 14. Oscar with 13 and 13. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right, we're going to create... it still says 3v3 team, but it shouldn't be 3v3. All right, it's not. It's 6v6. We're gonna see if we can. We're gonna see if we can get this filled, guys. Join this. Join this. Join this. Join this. Join this. Join this. This should be a 6v6 game. It's going to be round based. Okay, it's going to be round based. So you have 1 life per round. This is going to be sweaty. I'm not going to lie. It's going to be sweaty. All right, it's filled. It's filled, but still keep joining. Hit spectate mode. Hit spectate mode, and it'll pull you in the game. It'll pull you in the game. Okay. All right, here's my team. Here's my team. I got Lucky, Abby Knight, Humble, PC, and Gipman. I'm not gonna lie, the other team is cracked. Okay, we have to lock in. The other team is cracked out of their mind. Guys, let's push together on the left-hand side here. Let's push together on the left-hand side here. I got Humble and Gipman in front of me. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. There's Nate. Nate's coming in. Nate's coming in. Nate the Arch. Nate the Arch. All right, boys. Come on. 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 Oh, we got Lucky on our team. I didn't even realize that. Lucky's doing work over here. Oh, mid. Underneath. I think. Yep, I got one. I got one right here. No! All right, we're watching Lucky. We're watching Lucky. Lucky's dead. We got Humble. We got Humble left. That's it. It's just Humble. It's Humble versus J35, Jose, and Mr. Boom. Let's go, Humble. Let's go. No! No! Damn it. All right, guys. We lost that round. We got to get strategic here, guys. Wait, guys. Come back. Abby, come back this way. Where's Lucky? Come back over this way, guys. We're gonna go mid. Don't tell them. Guys, that didn't work that way. God damn it. Oh, we're so shot. I'm gonna have to step up here. Spam the door. I got a nade in there. All right, where's my boy? We gotta meet up. Where's my boy? Who do we have left here? It's me and Humble. We have to link up, brother. It's a 2v1. We could win this. I'm gonna come to you. Either that or I just win the game right now. Oh no. He's got high. Oh no! No! Are you fucking kidding me? All right, it's Humble in a 1v1 versus Alonzo. Come on, Humble. You could do this. Humble. He was atop of the bridge. Yes, no. Go to the right. Up there. Yes. Yes, go, Humble. You hear him. I know you hear him. Nice and easy, Humble. Right up the stairs. He's got it. Yes. Let's go, Humble. Are you kidding me? Let's go. Humble, you legend. Let's go. All right, yes. I love this play, guys. This is a great play. I'm right behind you, Lucky. Go. I'm right behind you. There's more over here. There's more. This is a great play. I'm pushing all the way to their spawn. There's two left. Guys, take it slow. It's a 6v2. Take it slow. It's a 6v2. Play together. Humble with the unbelievable 1v1 last round. Electric. Like, absolutely electric. Unbelievable. Come on. Where's Lucky? I'm following him again. Lucky's insane. No! Who was that? Monster is insane. All right, we're watching Humble again. Let me see Where's Lucky? Where's Lucky? Lucky's dead? All right, so it's a Humble and Gipman. We're watching Humble. Oh, no, Humble's dead. We're all dead. This is 2v2. This is a tight game. This is a tight game. Monster is destroying. He might be cheating. Monster could be cheating. That felt really sus. Lucky, I'm right behind you. I'm literally right behind you, Lucky. I know they're probably stream sniping me, so that doesn't help you, but... Right in front, right in front. Watch that nade, watch that nade. All right, I'm pushing. Don't throw the... Go. We got a pinch. No! I'm throwing for my fucking team. I would like to put up a $50 spot for a tournament pot. We should absolutely do one night after some more game modes. We're doing it. I'll have this loop and we'll make it 10 times better. We'll make it way better. We'll make it way better in every way. And then we'll get a pot going. We'll get some sponsors. Okay? So there'll be logos on the walls. And we'll get some money behind it. The only thing I'm going to have to figure out is an anti-cheat. Humble, you got to go. There's only 20 seconds left. Come on, Humble. I hear him above you. Keep going. No, you're left. He's going to be above you. Look behind. He's close. So, what happens there? 2-2 rounds? Match over? Why is the match over? Oh, we won? Oh, no. I think they it was a draw? It was not a draw. Was it actually a draw? Because it was a 2v2. What happened there? It was a 2v2. Guys, Humble winning that 1v1 was the most electric thing I've seen on the live stream. Humble winning that 1v1 was the most electric thing I've seen on the live stream yet. By far. I'll have this loop and we'll make it 10 times better. We'll make it way better. All right, so here's Humble in every way. He's in his 1v1. We'll get a pot going. It's 2 versus 2 right here at the top. Okay. It's 2-2 at the top right here. Okay, there's 2 players left. Nah, bro, you lost. We won. That was not draw. We won. 2-2, and the last went out of time with 2 people left. The game is great, Max. Really well balanced, fast paced. It's bananas. I love it. I just love the camaraderie for Humble W, Humble and Alonzo. Dueled it out to the death. A lot of fun. Only thing I'd add is have an alternative key to view the standings because Alt is used to switch fields in the browser or prevent default. I know, that's bad. Max's game is awesome. It's so good. I don't understand what happened. Match over top banana. I don't really understand what happens. I think the only thing we could do is run one more back. We want to plant banana bombs. I think we have to add the banana bomb planting. All right, so what we're gonna do, guys? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna run one more game back, okay? That same game mode, because that was electric. It was electric. Watching Humble win the 1v1 was the best shit I've seen on the goddamn stream. We're gonna run it back one more time, and then I'll tell you what we do after that. Hold on. All right, here's the link. It's going in right now. We need a multi-spectate mode for the tournament announcers. There's a full spectate mode. You should be able to choose the player you want to see. If we can set up Call of Duty OBS overlays. Yes. We're going to have to make a whole Call of Duty event day. All right, so instantly full lobby, but make sure you join and hit spectate, because then it'll put you into the lobby when somebody drops out. As soon as somebody drops out, it's going to put you in. We want banana smoke. Banana smoke would be sick. There's a lot of upgrades we can make here. I'm going to start the game. All right, so I got Jose, I got Gipman, I got Gemini, I got Pixter, and I got Humble on my team. We're going against Oscar, Daddy, Max's Daddy, Kabira, J35, Mr. Boom. All right, we're going against a really good team here. I didn't mean to just jump down there. I just left my whole team. It's fine, I don't need him. Oh. Is there somebody in mid here? I hear him. Oh, he scared the shit out of me. He scared the shit out of me again. Oh my God. Yo, I'm not even kidding you. That just scared the shit out of me, dude. Oh my God. I was not expecting him up the hallway there. All right. It's 2v3. We gotta stay crisp here. They're gonna be up here. I know it. I know they're gonna be up here. I'm gonna abuse this head peek right here. Nope. All right, nice and easy. Oh my God. Oh no. Come on. No, I'm out of ammo! Yes! Holy shit. They're up here. I gotta help Jose out. No! Jose, he's weak. Oh, we just lost that. Reloads his Zarion. Shit. All right, guys. We gotta I don't know what we got to do here. We need some tactics. No. All right, we lost a couple of people on the other team. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5v7? That's weird. But they're still beating us somehow. That doesn't look good for us. But we did get lucky somehow. Somehow we got lucky from a spectator. Oscar says I'm a player and it put me in spectator mode. My player is still there? I think the game just said Lucky is better than Oscar. Let's kick this guy out. Wait. Gipman is absolutely murdering right now. We're missing this. Oh! Holy shit. Let's go. Gipman just out. Did he just 1v4? Did you just 1v4 right there? I wish this window worked right here. That would be sick. Guys, we gotta push in. Go! All right, guys, it's literally like a 6v2 here. Let's not throw this. Let's not throw this. Bro peaks like Counter-Strike. Let's not throw this, guys. How many days of deving this game now, Max? It ran on loop for 8 days. I have done 0, like, since that very first day that we built it on stream, I've done, like, 0 actual, like, me sitting there coding this game. This game has only run in the background. It's insane that it's turned out this good. Where is this guy? Where is he, Lucky? For those of you that don't know, we ran an agentic gauntlet loop to create this game. Fable 5 was the orchestrator and the reviewer, and then Opus 5 was the worker agent. But mainly like the base of the game, these characters and stuff like that, we actually created with Opus 4.6. I don't know where he is, guys. We won, though. Yo, Max, last player stuck under the map. No, I fell through the map. All right, we got some polishing to do, guys. We got some polishing to do before our big, massive $100,000 tournament. That's for sure. All right, guys, ready? Ready? Hold on, wait for this nade to go off. Wait for this nade to go off. We're going to push together. Let's go. Go! Wait, no, 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 no! Go! Go, 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 go! Damn it. Wait, we still won. 3-1. We won. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. Unbelievable. 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 All right, so we got today, in recap, Banana Game is unbelievable at this point. I don't know how we take this to the next level. We need to figure that out before the stream ends. I need to send a prompt off, a gauntlet loop. My secondary Claude account is sitting there just wanting us to set up a gauntlet loop to take it to the next level. I don't necessarily know what we need to do. Can we get Nick to guest announce? I feel like he would do that. If we ask nicely tonight, he would definitely, that would be the perfect co-stream. I don't know if Nick has ever done games before, but we could do a Friday night. Max's team versus Nick's team for X prize. And we reach out to Bridgemind, and we get my team, Bridgemind's team, Nick's team. We need one more vibe coding streamer. And then we have a Friday night vibe-a-thon stream. Where it's kind of fucked up that we're all playing my game, though. These guys should have to make their own game too. So each night we have our own vibe-coded game. All right? And they should have to show up with their own game too. Because Unc Max cannot be responsible for making everything, putting everything together all that shit. All right. So so we find, if we could find one more vibe coder that has a large following, there's no vibe coders that live stream other than me, Nick, and Bridgemind. And that way there we could have a tournament bracket, you know, like the two teams play against each other, and then there's a championship round at the end where they play against each other. I got to get streaming. Yes, you do. Yo, I can help organize. Just do the one 2-hour event with the one game. I think that's a good idea. I think that's a good starting point. All right, Brandon, we'll figure it out. Ty Lopez can stream. All right, we'll get Ty Lopez. Abby says, I would love to live stream. I don't know if I could deal with the negative people you all get, though. I know. It's unbelievable. Reach out to Theo. I'm like, excuse me, Theo. Excuse me, Theo. We're having a vibe coded gameathon. Excuse me. I made a Counter-Strike game, except for it's all bananas. And me and my chat here would like you in your chat to come play against us. Please? He watches your chat, invite him. Ray Fernando. Yes, Ray Fernando's perfect. I don't know if Ray Fernando games, though. You could call a dummy its DM Swarm, LOL. Or we just show up in his chat. Dang, Billy isn't live. Prime. Ask Steve Wozniak. What we would need to do, and I really do think we need to do this first, is we'd probably need to put together something literally just us first. Why not no copyright sounds too? Because he's like the number 12th YouTuber in the world. He'd have 15 billion people show up here. I don't think Billy would do this for some reason. Is Billy the other guy in Hawaii? Is he in Hawaii? Can you bring Maria? At least Nick to help host. That would be fun. Yes, that would be banger. And I really think Nick would do it. Nick would definitely do it. Like a Friday night type situation. We force him to not do work, and him and his chat play me and my chat, which we have very similar chats. So you guys are actually going to have to decide where your loyalty lies. Okay. And then I guess we got to decide the game mode. You know, I think that it has to be plant the bomb. I think we'd have to iterate on the game massively because we obviously have issues with people falling into the map. We have issues with the sound not being very good. We should probably just have like the footsteps worked in a gauntlet loop. We probably should have it be the plant the bomb game mode, not just straight up team deathmatch. Because straight up team deathmatch kind of, I mean, it's fun, it's nice. But I think that the play at the bomb game mode would be much better. I think it'd be much better. Get PewDiePie. Get Joe Biden. Or at least the VOD could be partnered. The new map is perfect, by the way. The new map is so good. The new map is incredible. All right. We're gonna figure this out. We'll figure out a vibe coded gameathon situation. And we'll get it locked in. We'll see if Nick wants to join us. Guys, today has been unreal. Today, how about Mr. Beast? Jesus Christ, Hunter Biden stream would be Oh, what is wrong with you guys? What is wrong with you guys? Nate says, hey, is 5:45 p.m. tonight okay? Yes, it is. Nate, I pray that you were in one of those games. Wow. Did it get heated? Man, I don't know if you saw Humble win that 1v1. It gives me goosebumps. It gives me goosebumps. Humble winning the 1v1 to win the game. Unbelievable. Trump? Just get T-Series. They're not that big. Play the game smoke. Okay. Jesus Christ. Guys, we can't go around asking all the vibe coding streamers. Do not do that. We cannot go around asking them all. Brandon says I'm a mod in Billy's stream too. Guys, we have to start small. Remember, I'm an extremely antisocial individual, okay? And we I don't know these people. You got to remember, I don't know these people at all. Just because they're both vibe coding streamers doesn't mean that we vibe. Nick 1v1, no shirts on. Billy is such a W. Max and Billy are my faves. Oh, man. I get it. We need an onboarding brand kit for the process. We need an onboarding brand kit. That is exactly what we need. All right, can we come to some sort of agreement, please? Can we come to any sort of agreement here, please? It's got to be changed to plant the bomb mode, right? We start with Nick, plant the bomb mode. I think it has to be like a Friday night situation where it's a little bit more lackadaisical and people will actually join. Billy is so not the same energy as you, to be fair. LOL, he's like so chill. I don't think there's anyone that's the same energy as me because I'm a freak. Start the thread with me and whoever else wants to help organize. Okay, we'll do that. Invite Elon, tell him he will get free Diet Coke. I don't know if that's going to be enough. I don't think that's going to be enough. Oh, what is wrong with you guys? What is wrong with you guys? Also, don't forget that we have to vibe code until we buy my family a house. That is the main mission here. That's a heavy bag at $35 a night. I guess if we all give $1. Yeah, but we get Nvidia to sponsor it. We get Anthropic to sponsor it. Show him pictures of Diet Coke cans. All right, guys, I gotta go. We will brainstorm. We'll brainstorm the Call of Duty game. Can we admit that it's a W though? The new Call of Duty game, I'm thinking is a massive W. Type a W in chat if the new Call of Duty game we cooked. I'm really thinking that we cooked pretty decently hard with that one. Humble says major W. Kabira says W. Apps Creative says, what are we building today? Go to jail. Zarion says W. Apps Creative says, all right, guys. Alex Finn can sponsor. Shout out Alex Finn. Followed me on X the other day. Unreal. Unreal. I don't know where it came from. I love that. I love that. Who is this guy, Jay? I'm no one. Fleet Base says W. Apps Creative says W. Is Blade your real last name? Blade is my middle name. Vibe Coder game off is actually a great idea. It really is. But the thing is I can't be the only one that's responsible for bringing all the goddamn games to these things. Okay? They need to go get their own Claude $200 max account, and they need to show up with their game too. All right? This is what happens to me in life, is I end up being the guy that has to bring the game every time. And no more. If we're having vibe coded game nights, yes, I will bring the first version of this. I will bring the game. Down the road, these other streamers are going to have to make the game themselves. And if it's not as good as Call of Duty or better, Alex. Yeah, if you guys saw Alex, by the way, the other day on OpenAI's live stream, remember how I kept telling you guys? I literally said this the other day. I said OpenAI should just take one of these psychopath influencer types like me and just have them do the live stream for them. And that's exactly what they did with Alex. It was the best live stream they've ever had. Not even close. They had Alex Finn do ChatGPT voice. It was literally my idea. All right, guys. Thank you so much, Brandon. You're absolutely right. Oscar, there should be winners for which game is better and for the matches themselves. It's a great idea. I Am Lucian says Red Dead Redemption Vibe Edition. Kavira says, all right, see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Guys, I'll be live tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Eastern. Be here. If you haven't already, check out canvas.dev and purchase yourself a lifetime license of the future of vibe coding. I'll see you guys tomorrow.